Gonna make a little poke or a stick into this with a 18 gauge needle, and hopefully you are not gonna feel anything. Yeah, we definitely have some pus coming out, don't we? Okay.
Well, look at that.
Almost went in the ear, didn't it? We got it. Dude, guess what?
It's pretty flat. Ooh.
Coming right out.
Oh, great.
I can't believe they don't want to do this for you at the VA. This is actually it's a fun procedure for us, you know. Get to do something that helps somebody, you know. Clears it right out. Okay, the infection should be all gone now. Let's give it just 1 second and we'll squeeze again, one more time. And I wrote you a prescription for some antibiotics you're going to start taking. You're going to take them for about a week.
Okay.
This should not return. Now, I don't know how this got started again. It could have been a poke or a stick or a scratch or anything like that. You should do... Oops, that was just a little blood right there. Good thing that wasn't pus, huh, Gummy Jean?
Well, I'm glad that it squirted that way.
Right, right. Okay, so she's going to put a little bandage on you. You're done. How was that?
Oh, that was quick and easy.
Quick and easy. Excellent. I think you're going to heal just fine with the antibiotics. We're also going to give you just a little shot in the butt today.
Okay.
Penbrook, you rock, man. Thanks for letting us proceed. Did I say butt?
Yeah.
Well, it's true. It is, but thanks for letting us record your...
Hey folks, Adam here from World's Greatest Adventures. Now you may be wondering, what is World's Greatest Adventures? Well, World's Greatest Adventures is a fun travel blog where we travel the world, Amy and I, and we share the experience with you. So yeah, we go fun places. We go all around the world. We go on cruises. We go to Thailand, Japan, even Delaware. Yay, I'm in Delaware. So go ahead and click that subscribe button. We really appreciate it. You know, we love and appreciate you, and goodbye, my friends.